Hey everyone, Alexionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Tesla to build Shanghai factory to make Megapack batteries. Tesla co-founder JB Straubel is coming back as a board member. Starship rocket is ready for launch. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price year to date up 71%, past year down 43%, past 5 years up 824%. Tesla is opening a factory in Shanghai capable of producing 10,000 Megapack energy product per year to supplement output of Megapack factory in California, the company said in a tweet on Sunday. Elon Musk's automaker will break ground on the plant in the third quarter and start production in the second quarter of 2024. Xinhua reported from a signing ceremony in Shanghai. Complementing a huge existing Shanghai plant making electric vehicles, the new factory will initially produce 10,000 Megapacks units a year, equal to around 40 gigawatt hours of energy storage to be sold globally. With the new Shanghai plant, Tesla will take advantage of China's world's leading battery supply chain to ramp up output and lower costs of its Megapack lithium-ion battery units to meet rising demand of energy storage globally as the world shifts to use more renewable energy. Tesla generates most of its money from its electric car business, but Musk has committed to grow its solar energy and battery business to roughly the same size. Tesla currently has a megafactory in La Trobe, California, capable of manufacturing 10,000 megapacks per year. If you run the math, if Tesla would sell all these megapacks, and for sure they will, because Elon said demand has no limit, they will add $19 billion to their revenue just from this factory alone. Tesla co-founder JB Straubel, who left the company a few years ago, is coming back to Tesla as a board member. JB Straubel was a co-founder at Tesla and the company's longtime chief technology officer until left in 2019 to launch Redwood Materials, which is helping create a North American battery supply chain. After Elon Musk, Straubel was the most well-known executive at the company and was widely credited for helping give Tesla a technological edge when it came to batteries and power electronics. It was a big loss for the company when he decided to leave, but now we learn that he is returning, though in a non-executive role. In its SEC filing, for its upcoming annual shareholder meeting, Tesla disclosed that Hiroshimi Mizumo, the head of Japan's government pension investment fund, is not going to seek re-election on Tesla's board and instead, the company's board is nominating Straubel. Recently, Redwood Materials has won $2 billion loan from Energy Department. They secured a conditional loan from the Energy Department's Advanced Technology Vehicle Manufacturing Program, which helped Tesla more than a decade ago. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm announced the grant Thursday at Redwood's facility in Nevada with Governor Joe Lombardo, where they spoke from a stage to dozens of employees. This region is leading the way to a broader story of what is happening in the country, Granholm said, pointing to a map of 80 battery manufacturing or supply chain companies that are expanding or opening in the US. Most have been announced in response to the infrastructure law President Joe Biden signed in 2021 and the climate law he signed last year, she said. Another milestone for Tesla, 45,000 superchargers around the world and counting. Beautiful place here to put a supercharger, right? Elon Musk on Twitter, Starship is ready for launch, awaiting regulatory approval. If you don't know, Starship is the biggest rocket ever built. Very exciting to watch this launch. In the end, take a look at this AI-generated photo of Tesla bus. Cool, right? And with Elon Musk, you don't get bored. He's done it again. Elon tweeted, "Our landlord at San Francisco headquarters says we are legally required to keep sign as Twitter and cannot remove W. So we painted it background color. Problem solved." Now, the logo says titter. Funny, right? I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash the like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.